How to start selling in Lazada. In this video, you will learn the step-by-step guide on how you can start selling in Lazada, Philippines. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete screen record tutorial on how to create your first Lazada store and start selling right away. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Online selling has never been so accessible to anyone that wants to start their online business. If you want to make money online, then becoming a seller in Lazada is the first and the most important step to take. Now, I'm going to show you the screen record tutorial on how you can start selling in Lazada. Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to start selling in Lazada. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to. And smash the like button and hit the subscribe button para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.